Morning guys, hope you're well. Finally got a clear day to do a few things. If you remember from my last video, I explained that, wow, it's hot in here. The inside cabin, it's just not cooling down when you have the AC on. So what I was going to attempt to do was regas it, but before we do that, there's a couple of things that we need to do first. Okay guys, so if we do a little test, unfortunately I don't have a temperature sensor or anything like that, but normally you get the engine change when you add the AC as soon as you switch it on basically, and that's usually the refrigeration kicking in. I don't get that, so I want to check really if there's any pressure in the system. Hopefully there's no leaks, and if it's the green light on that, then I should be able to regas the system. So in order to recharge your aircon and check pressure in the system, you need these two components. Now the trigger here, which once I unpack it I'll explain a bit more about. This is the actual refrigerant, and looking at this, this is designed to use within, get it back in shot, for filling up your AC, and this is for the older cars like what I have, the Civic, but that will allow you to refill the system. And this is refrigerant, what number is it, HFC 134A, and that's used in most cars, but the newer type is R1324YF. Now the benefit of doing this over getting it recharged in a I don't know, a car garage or wherever you would choose to do it, is with this kit you can refill it up to 3 times, and once you finish the actual bottle, you can get £10 cash back if you return the bottle. So little Brucey bonus there for you guys. But first things first, let's check whether there's any pressure in the system, and in order to do that you need to go to the low filling point, the low pressure point, because you have a low, which is this one here, or you have the high, which is that one there. Now the benefit of this trigger is you can only attach it to the low point, so you can't possibly get that wrong, not even me. So let's unwrap this and I'll explain a bit more. Give me a sec.
A few moments later.
Okay, so back to the trigger. So you've got some measurements here, the red zone and the white low zone. That's where you're hoping your system's going to be, and green means that there is enough AC in the system. Alert signifying obviously there's something wrong there, and red, yeah, another part of the gauge you don't want to be on. So if I connect to the system, we'll see whereabouts I sit. Good news, you can see that it is holding pressure, which is good news. So next thing to do is fill it up, I guess. So you want to have your AC switched on for this, and it's the case of kind of some short bursts, get it to the green zone, I guess. And you want to just kind of rotate the bottle, which basically you can see the bottle getting cold now, but that kind of agitates things. Ah, yeah, the click there scared me. That's a bit weird. Right, let's find out what's going on here. That went to 0 then, but now I've got the engine switched off and it's in the green zone. So I'll start it up again and see what happens. So let's do this. Okay. So when what's meant to kick in, it goes to 0. I need to work out what's going on here. I'm going to check whether the engine's actually, well, whether the cabin's cold. This will be a good indication. Yeah, it's still pretty warm in here, so let's see what's going on.
1 eternity later.
According to this, it's filled now, so you need to find out or do a bit of diagnostics on, or else there could be a problem. So I'm going to disconnect this. First of all, check whether the cabin's getting cold. Have it running, have the AC running for a couple of minutes, and if it's getting cold, then there's no issues. Good news, the AC is working, so it must have done something right. That's excellent news. So it means that there's no leaks and it filled up correct. So thumbs up. Overall thoughts, I definitely recommend getting the recharge kit, because the benefit is, rather than just going into a car garage and just getting one recharge, you can certainly get 2 or 3 out of one can. So you can top it up and do whatever you need to. If you've got a second car and that's running low, then you can do that as well. So double thumbs up. And of course, if you hand the can back, you can get £10 back. I bought this one from Halfords. You can usually pick them up for about, I think it's 60 or 70 quid for the can and £20 for the trigger. If you like the video, please like and subscribe. And yeah, I'm waffling now. Take care, guys, and stay healthy, stay safe, and see you on the next video. Ciao bella.